Hey guys, I wanted to show you all three of these automatic lights right here that have been put it on. Although my dad put one here in this laundry room, one in his closet, and one in the downstairs bathroom. So I wanted to show you guys this. Once you walk in, watch. Light will turn on as you get the switches changed. Once you press it, it'll turn off. And once you press it again, it'll turn back on. So that's the way it is. Although anyway, let me step in there and then hold on. Yep. I don't know if I could do this. Maybe I can't. Although once you leave here, it'll turn off by itself. Turn back off. Like in a minute. I don't know if that's gonna go off. I don't know if this is gonna go off. Come on. There it goes. It just went off already. Might have took a long time. There's also one in here, my dad's closet. You do it if you stick your hand in there. It's my dad's bell. Might go off in a minute. Just three of these. I'll show you the one in the downstairs bathroom. That might have went on bright, so I'm sorry if I put the camera up there. There's also a fan right here. Once you turn it on, light will come on. Nice. My dad has a load of laundry right there. Alright. That's it for those videos, although next video I'm gonna show you how fast these lights go off, so yeah. See you guys again in my next video, and that's it, so see you guys again. And also, there's no school or work on Monday. It's President's Day. So, yeah. It's a holiday. We're going back on Tuesday. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy the rest of your President's Day weekend. Maybe I'll post some more videos up tomorrow. So, hope you enjoyed this. Bye, everyone. Subscribe today.